Good morning, setters. I just want to show you one of the trade that I already placed order, limit order. Is dollar cat. You can see current price action here is very similar to the price action here. So price already below the 129, which is okay. See, last couple of times it was the resistance there. So now, how do I place this order? You need to drop down to a smaller time frame. You can see the 1 hour chart. I like the fact that the 20 and 50 crossed over already. So a bit similar like here, crossover and then a retest. Okay, so a bit like this. All right, bang, bang. So that's what I like to place my order in there. So that's the plan for today. So my order is here. Okay, so another thing that I use a lot is Fibonacci retracement. You really need to know where to place it. $61.8 as well, spot on. So that's my order. I will send you guys the exact number a bit later on Discord. Thank you.